Yeah, g'day guys. Today we're going to put a double carport together, so let's get into it. Here we go. Come on, birdie. You can't stay there or you get squashed. Can't just stay there. I want to take that tree. Well, a little bit of cementing's done and the post is to the wall. I just haven't put the anchors in there because it's still green, the concrete, so the holes are there. I just haven't done any more. On this side, being on a slope, it's all welded and done and ready for these big beams. So I've also drilled, augured a couple of holes. This one's not real deep because it goes straight to rock amongst all these tree roots. And this one I've just covered up, but it's full of water. You can just sort of see it. So I'll have to wait till that one dries, or I'll pump it out, one of the two. And then we can keep it going, get this carport done. So let's get into that. $600mm drill bit, that's the way. Made it all the way through. So there we go, all the framework and everything is up, so all we're going to do is wait for the delivery for the iron and the flashing and everything. I was hoping that they'd be open to be able to deliver, but they're not, so it'll be putting all the iron on. So stick around for that video and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.